Run Mike over! They sound like angry hamsters.
Oh, Darren! Go get it. Go get it.
Oh, one just died.
Yo, get me. What? I don't think you guys are supposed to be.
Tara!
I think that's part of the point.
That one sounds so angry. Oh!
Good job, Luke.
Whoa!
You should paint that rainbow and call it Rainbow Road.
I can never stay on Rainbow Road. It was just like,
You had to be high, that was the trick.
is that what it was? I didn't do enough drugs.
Come back!
Why is no one trying to run Joe over?
Look at Maggie now.
Is this a dangerous spot?
Who's the blue one? Is that you, Joe? I think so.